you're a student considering a career in healthcare, you will have a great opportunity to meet and network with representatives from several colleges and universities this Wednesday at the Health Professions Recruitment Fair at ETSU. Rachel Kellogg is here with a preview. Rachel, thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me back, Chris.
8th year of this event. Talk to us about the event itself and the successes you've seen over the years with this event.
I want to talk about the importance of the event first. Admission to undergraduate programs and to professional schools in health sciences is really competitive.
Right.
So students put a lot of work in over a period of several semesters or several years getting ready for application. And one of the fastest ways to tank your application to professional school is to apply to the wrong places, to apply to places where you're just not a good fit. So we work with students to do their research on their professional schools, understand the culture of the schools and what those places are looking for, and so the recruitment fair is a fantastic way to do that with several schools all at once, because they're here on campus at ETSU, and students can talk with representatives from those admissions committees and find out what they really are all about, and if this is a great place for me to apply.
And let's talk about, you were saying if it was a good fit. What goes into making that determination? Is it more so on the student's part or on the school's part as far as the student is concerned?
Oh, it works both ways.
Yeah.
So students have to meet certain criteria. You know, they need to have their GPA, and they need to have their entrance exams up to par with what a school is looking for. But also, schools are looking to train certain students to go into primary care, or they want, some schools will be looking to train people who want to specialize, or who want to be more research oriented. So it's good for students to make sure that they're going to end up in a home that's going to teach them the kinds of skills that they really want to learn.
And I know that ETSU has 8 different ways you could go as far as the medical professions go, and they're going to be well represented here as well.
Right. Well, there's way more than 8. We have 8 professional schools that we prepare students for, but then also undergraduate programs in nursing, respiratory therapy, radiography, all of those types of programs as well. Physical therapy, pre-occupational therapy, psychiatry, psychology. So representatives from all of those programs will be on hand.
Now, how many total schools and universities are going to be taking part in the fair?
Right now we have about 60 programs who were signed up. So there will be a lot of variety.
And it goes everything from, like you say, those specialized medicines to veterinary, everything in between. I mean, so if you're interested in any kind of health field, and even if you haven't made up your mind, this may be a good opportunity to get some ideas.
Yes, and it's a good time to discover programs that are not even on your radar. You know, things like public health is a big one that a lot of students are not aware that it exists, but it's a great program for students to become interested in too. And
I think, you know, we hear about dread diseases all the time, and we hear about the World Health Organization, you know, CCC in Atlanta, things of that nature. So there's jobs out there that people may not even think about at this moment.
Right.
So this is a great opportunity to find those professionals and find out if that's your niche. So you talk about that fit from a student's side. When they're looking, what do you think are some of the things that the student needs to look for as far as a good home, like you say, for a school?
I encourage students to look at what sorts of resources are available for students. If you get into a professional school and you're struggling academically, what kind of help is available for you? What opportunities are there for you to get out into the community and be doing outreach and be doing service while you are a health sciences student, so that you are better prepared to work with patients once you get your licensure and you start actually practicing.
Rachel Kellogg, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thank you.
Got the information about this big Health Professions Recruitment Fair. It's happening Wednesday, October the 18th, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. right there at the Culp Center Ballroom. Check out that number. Check out etsu.edu for more information.